Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you past perfect. So what is past perfect? In order to learn past perfect, we need to see the usage of past perfect. So let's see the usage. So the usage is here: an action started in the pre-past and finished in the past. An action started in the pre-past and finished in the past. This is the usage of past perfect. Now it's time to see the structure and example. So example is here: the patient had died before the doctor arrived. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. For example, this is the past and this is the pre-past. This is the past and this is called the pre-past, mean before the past. Okay. So means an action started and finished in the past. Means as the past came, that the action finished. Getting me? For example, we can say here the patient came. Patient, for example, patient. Okay, in the future. So he came, and definitely, and then he had died. He had died. Completed before doctor arrived. Mean doctor arrived. It is the past. Doctor arrived. For example, doctor, the suit rule. Okay. So the doctor arrived. This is a past. Means as a doctor arrived, this is not happen. It does not happen. But this is the past. So before the past, the patient had died. Getting me? So what? An action started. This is the action started and finished in the past. It is the finish in the past. Action started in the pre-past. This is started in the pre-past and finished in the past. This is the past. As the past started, it finished and then the past happened. Getting me? So before the past, an action started and finished in the past called past perfect. Getting me? This is the past and this is a pre-past. Action happened, action finished, and then past started. Getting me? So here we have the example: the patient had died. Patient came, patient died, and then when the doctor arrived. This is the past. So before the past, action started and finished. Getting me? Now it's time to see the structure of past perfect. So the structure is here: subject plus head plus third form verb plus object. What is mean by subject? Subject means doer. Here we have the patient. It can be Naveed, it can be he, it can be she, it can be Ali, it can be anyone. Getting me? Subject means doer. Who? Definitely. Then we use head. Then third form verb. As you know, how many forms of verb do we have here? Fourth form, second form, third form, and fourth form. Here we are using third form. Why? Because this is perfect. And definitely here we have died. Definitely. And then definitely object. Definitely here we can think of as an object. Getting me? So this was a lecture on past perfect. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.